these are two bear barrels. Well, people have been hunting bears out here, obviously. That's the ladder they built on the tree. See? That is obviously a structure for hunting bears in the forest. This is pretty cool. This is nice. It's a very open area. You know, it can make a great campsite. Yeah, I think this is gonna be home tonight. Welcome back, guys. How are you guys doing? So it's been 2 weeks since last time I talked to you guys. It's actually it's been pretty a hectic week for me because I've been preoccupied with my own business and social life. You know, my own business. This one, Impression Travel. I've been doing travel business for years in Manitoba. Still cannot get away with that, but right now I'm in desperate need of getting in the woods and, you know, just do some camping, enjoying nature, enjoying solitude. But last week we had a fire and travel restriction in most of part of eastern and southern Manitoba, so I couldn't find myself an ideal camping spot. But this week the restrictions have been lifted. So I came out and explored some new camping areas in the wilderness. This is one of the designated wilderness camping areas in Manitoba. I drove like 3 hours up north to this place. Yeah, I'm not gonna do any bushcraft project this time. I'm just gonna use my tarp to camp right here, just to clean up the site, you know. So it's gonna be a very relaxing day and night. Cook some food over campfire, and I've got plenty of time, so it's gonna be a very relaxing day. It's the first week of April, but it's pretty still pretty chilly. Temperature right now, it's like 4-5 Celsius degrees right now, but it's gonna drop to -4 through the night. but I think it should be okay for me because I have proper gear in my backpack, so it should be fine. Snow has pretty much melted. There's no snow on the ground, just the moss and debris everywhere, and fallen trees, dead trees everywhere. It's awesome. Awesome day. But the weather might be very unpredictable. You know, sometimes sunny, sometimes it's rainy, sometimes even snowy at night, and cloudy or, you know, windy. So it's pretty windy out here. I don't know if you guys can hear that. You know, it's pretty windy out here. But right now I'm in the woods, so I cannot feel the wind. Okay, so I'm just gonna set up the tent. No, not the tent, the tarp. And get the fire going. That's it. Super windy out here. Nice. So the whole idea is to set up a fully enclosed tarp tent, you know, to create more sense of security for me, because I don't want to expose myself from the other sides of the tent. You know, I just want to have like fully enclosed tarp tent. That's basically the idea. This is actually my first time to set up a fully enclosed tarp tent, and I'm still trying to get the perfect angles, and just to make it look nice. I don't want it to look like a shabby tent, Okay. Alright, so it's pretty good. Looks nice now. Looks like a decent pyramid tarp tent. You just have to fix 3 different angles first, and then put the stake in the middle. That's it. It's a very simple setup. That's it. That's the product, and that's the shelter I'm gonna spend the night with. Definitely not the best shelter I've ever had, but I think I'm pretty satisfied with this. Alright, so I'm just gonna sleep over here, right? And put some spruce branches over here, and then put my wool blanket on top of it as insulation. Nice. It's cozy inside and warm. Oh. Oh. Not gonna have big open fire this time, because in our province of Manitoba we have very strict camping rules. And for regular campers like me, some rules don't even make any sense to me, but rules, you have to follow, right? If you're camping in provincial parks, no matter it's front country camping or back country camping, even if you're camping in a wilderness area, campfires only allowed in the designated fire pits. So you cannot have like open campfires in provincial parks, national parks, and from April the 1st to November the 15th every year, open fires are not allowed throughout the province. Okay, no matter you're camping or you're doing something else, open fires are absolutely prohibited. So you can only have campfire in designated campfire fire pits. So right now it's April, the first week of April. So I'm not supposed to have open fires on the ground. That's why I'm preparing like twigs and branches, and I'm having a wood stove. So I'm gonna use that to cook my supper. Yeah, luos. But in winter, you can have open fires. If you're winter camping in a wilderness area, you can do that. But right now, you just can't. You're not supposed to do that. That's fine. That's okay. So I'm gonna use this little wood stove, which is good too. It's a very portable stove. I've used it for many trips. Haven't used it for a while. Easy setup. That's it. So put your firewood over here and then cook stuff over here. It's very simple. Dinner's down. Awesome. I'm not a coffee guy. I like tea better. You know, green tea, black tea, oolong tea. You're just stay healthy, okay? Morning. Oh, God. It's been literally snowing and raining all night. My God. I think there was a snowstorm last night. See, my tarp is pretty saggy right now, and it's wet. It's all wet. God, it's soaked. And it's still snowing. You hear that? What time is it? It's almost 7. Well, surprisingly, I had very good sleep. It's just too warm in my sleeping bag. You know, -4 Celsius degrees in April is really not a big deal. See? It is chilly, but not cold, especially when I'm in the sleeping bag. It's good for -18. This is actually a winter sleeping bag. I'm so glad I brought here. Now this tarp is really nice. Great quality. Um, yeah, it's pretty waterproof. Yeah, it's been snowing and raining all night, just a little wet. Pretty good. I bought it from Amazon. I think it cost me like 58 bucks. And the funny thing is that it was $58 the day that I purchased it. And then 2 days later, I went back to check the price. It went up to $98. I'm so glad I bought it. I am so glad I bought this tarp. It's from Free Soldiers. Good stuff. Absolutely good stuff. It's windy and snowing. Terrible. Weather right now is terrible. I don't think I can cook anything outside there. And I don't feel like eating right now. Anyway. Okay, so I'm just gonna, get up and start packing things up and hike back to the parking lot and go back to real life. Awesome. Awesome experience. See, snow everywhere. It's very sturdy setup. Very sturdy setup. It's a little saggy, not too much. All right, let's go outside and take a look. What the heck? Oh. Check out, guys. Check it out. Yesterday it was a warm, sunny day, and today it becomes a cold winter wonderland. My God, you see it? Oh, oh, awesome, awesome. All right, guys, it's an awesome morning. Beautiful. My hands are numb, so I think I'm gonna wrap up the video right here. I don't think I can cook anything. I was actually planning to cook a good breakfast around the snow, but I just realized I didn't bring my fuel canister, and yeah, so that's pretty much it. This is gonna take a while. to pack things up. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Canoe trips are coming up next month. I see you guys on water. Take care. Bye.